What is going on, everyone? Welcome to video 2 for the day. I've got another one for you today because it's time to talk about Ken Griffin again. Actually, not just Ken Griffin. We're talking about Citadel Securities. So when that happens, you know I'm going to be recording a video, and this is an important one, so I hope that you pay attention. And we're going to get started right away. But before we do, what I need you to do is what you already know that you should be doing. Smashing the dadgum like button, and go ahead and subscribe if you're new here, because you're going to see videos just like this one every single day. And these are videos that you really need to be watching if you're an AMC, GME, or whatever the hell, a freaking meme stock holder. If that's you, then you know you need to be watching these videos. And now, without any further ado, let us go ahead and get started. So here's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. Twitter, such a reputable source for information, or at least it's turned out to be very recently. And, I love Twitter, so do you. So here's what's going on. So people on YouTube, other YouTubers, are sitting there saying that Citadel is pointing the frickin' finger at Robinhood and shifting the blame on Robinhood for all the crap that has been going on. I've seen big YouTubers, small YouTubers, even some medium YouTubers reporting on this topic, and they're saying that, Citadel Securities is posting tweets or twittering tweets that are saying stuff like, well, Robinhood had a $3 billion deficit, so this is all their fault. So let me break this down for you just a little bit. This isn't Citadel pointing the finger. It kind of is, but actually it isn't. This is Robinhood taking one for the team. This is what Robinhood has said since the beginning. Okay? Vlad Tenev, if you recall, and if you don't recall, maybe you should go back and watch those videos, had an interview or, a phone conversation or whatever the hell you want to call it with the famous Tesla CEO. Yes, we know him as Elon Musk. And Elon Musk cracked down on Vlad Tenev and said, "Hey, Vlad, what in the heck is your problem, jerk boy?" And Vlad said, "My sister always interrupts my videos when I'm recording."
So funny. I was cracking.
Dad freaking gummit! Okay, anyhow, so here's what's going on, y'all. I'm sorry, this is an impromptu recording because I just, seen some things on YouTube that pissed me off, so I had to report on it. So anyhow, here's the long story made very simple and short. So Elon Musk, he got into the ass of Vlad Tenev, but not literally. This is a figurative. This is figurative, okay? He got on his ass, and he said, "Hey, listen, dude, what in the hell is going on? Why are you restricting trading and screwing over the ape mans?" And then Vlad Tenev said, "Well, here's what happened." And he's got long hair just like I do. He's so pretty. And he says, "Well, we had this $3 billion deficit problem going on, and, Apex Clearinghouse, who the freaking, who nobody freaking talked to at the congressional hearing. Nobody talked to anybody from Apex Clearinghouse. Why? I'm still trying to figure that the hell out. This report is coming freaking any day now, kind of. And nobody's talked to anybody from Apex Clearing yet, because this is who this shit was blamed on from day one. This is who Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev blamed the shit on back in the day. So why is nobody giving a crap about it today? Why is nobody talking about Apex Clearinghouse? Am I missing something? Please leave it in the comments if you know the freaking answer. Am I just missing something here? What the hell's going on? Okay? But anyhow, now YouTubers are saying, "Oh yeah, freaking Ken Griffin is pointing the finger at Robinhood and all that." Yes, maybe so. Maybe he is, but trust me, guys, Ken is paying Vlad and the Robinhood team a tremendous amount of money. And not just, forking it out, but the business part, the business aspect of it. Robinhood is getting rewarded handsomely. And if Robinhood is getting rewarded handsomely, why do they give a crap if Citadel is pointing the finger at them when they're just going to point the finger at Apex Clearinghouse? And then where in the hell is Apex Clearinghouse? They're absent. They're not here. They didn't give their frickin' side of the story. So what in the hell happens? Well, just blame gets shifted at, from one frickin' person to the next, or from one company to the next, and then nothing happens, and blah, blah, blah. So what the hell do we need to do? We need to put the pressure on. Keep holding your dadgum shares if you're a shareholder. Sell those dadgum covered calls like I've been telling you to do this entire time. And then you would profit from every single time the stock falls, and you wouldn't give a crap. You'd just be like, "Oh, hell yeah, AMC is down. Now I'm profiting, one way, and now I can buy more freaking shares of stock." So I hope you've been doing that this entire damn time, like I've been telling you to do on my channel, because I've been telling you that's what I've been doing. But I'm not your financial advisor, and I'm not a financial advisor, obviously. I'm just some little dude from Arkansas that talks to you about AMC and how to make money with AMC stock. So I guess what I'm trying to tell you guys is that this is going to be a rough and tough battle. It's going to be a long, drawn-out battle, so you need to be prepared, and you need to do what you need to do to keep on making money while you're holding your dadgum shares and keep accumulating shares, but you can't be just using money that comes out of your own pockets, because you need to be using money that comes from these covered calls. Good God, keep doing what the hell I'm telling you to do if that's what you've been doing, or at least start taking my advice so that you can grow spiritually as a person. No, so that your account can grow, because that's all I give a crap about, because I want you to become rich, filthy rich, a filthy rich ape, eating as many bananas as you want to, just like I am, okay? I get like 20 bananas a day, sometimes 30, so yeah, that's what I want for you, because, you know, I want you to be blessed, and I'm trying to bless you right now. But that about concludes the video, because, you know, my battery on my cell phone is going dead. I can't be recording inside because people are loud, so I had to come to the vehicle, my vehicle C, to record video B. If that makes any sense, I don't know if it does, but anyways, thank you for watching till the end. I do appreciate all of my subscribers, and if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do it, because it really helps the channel out, but it's going to help you out even more. It's going to help you become banana rich, okay? And also, smash that dadgum like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with everybody, or as many apes as possible at least, because that's the goal here, is to enlighten the apes, to make them just a little bit brighter. We don't want them to be smooth-brained for the rest of their lives. We don't want us to be smooth-brained for the rest of their lives. We need them to be educated. So yeah, do that. And if you like this video, you're going to love my other videos. You're going to love the videos that I've made in the past, and you may want to check out the YouTube recommended videos from my channel, which should be up right now.